This keyless smart door lock is the solution to all your key-related problems. With this innovative lock, you'll never have to worry about losing your keys or struggling to find them in your bag or pockets again. Hey guys, welcome to Enoylity Technology, your place for the latest tech reviews and concept render. And before going ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for constant updates. Presenting Philips Standalone DeadBolt Lock. This keyless smart door lock also offers superior security compared to traditional key door lock. With a traditional lock, anyone with a copy of your key can gain access to your home or office. But with our keyless smart door lock, you have complete control over who can enter your space. Let's unbox this first. As you can see, the packaging is very sturdy and well designed, ensuring that your new lock arrives in pristine condition. Upon opening the package, the first thing you will notice is the stack of paperwork containing the user manual, guide, and installation instructions. These documents are crucial in helping you understand how to set up and use your new Philips DeadBolt lock effectively. Moving on to the lock itself, you'll find that it comes in two parts: the exterior and interior assembly. The exterior assembly boasts a sleek, modern design and a beautiful black finish that will complement any door perfectly. Underneath the lock, you'll find a packet of screws and mounting hardware, which will be used to install the lock in your door securely. The interior assembly features a battery compartment that requires 4 AA batteries to operate. Once you've inserted the batteries, reattach the backplate, and you're almost ready to start using your new lock. On the exterior assembly, you'll see a keypad that allows you to enter your personal code, while the interior assembly provides an alternative method of entering. The Philips DeadBolt lock is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their home security. With its sturdy construction, easy installation process, and convenient features, let's first focus on the installation process. The user manual provides a comprehensive guide with pictorial representation, making it easy for even first-time users to install the Philips DeadBolt lock. With the step-by-step instruction, you'll hardly require 30 minutes to complete the installation process. Moving on to the front side of the lock, you'll find the indicator, touchscreen keypad, cancel key, confirm key, and at the bottom, a backup power port. The keypad is easy to use and allows you to enter your personal code for added security. The cancel and confirm keys are conveniently placed for ease of use, while the backup power port ensures that your lock never runs out of power. The interior assembly of the lock features a battery compartment, reset button, multifunction button, installation buckle, and thumb turn. The reset button can be used to reset the lock settings in case of any issue. Finally, we'll demonstrate the lock in action. When you press the lock button, the DeadBolt slides smoothly into place, providing you with a secure and reliable way to protect your home or office. With the Philips DeadBolt lock, you can be sure that your property is safe and secure at all times. The keyless entry door lock ensures that you can easily enter your house. This lock stores 20 permanent PIN codes. With the auto lock setting, you do not have to worry about forgetting to lock the door. Share one-time PIN codes with others anytime and anywhere. The Philips Home Access app generates OTPs remotely without Wi-Fi bridge or Bluetooth connection, so you can easily share one-time PIN codes for your home with friends, family members, or anyone you want. This electronic door lock consumes little power and lasts for 1 year with 4 AA batteries. And when the batteries run low, an alarm will be triggered. The modern design decorates your door with a high-quality touchscreen keypad with a variety of classic colors. So don't wait any longer to upgrade to Philips Standalone DeadBolt door lock. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking for a better way to secure their home or office. If you like this video, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your suggestions in the comment box below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.